Namaskar, good evening. You're watching the News Hour at 10 and I'm Swati Joshi. Gathbandhan fizzles. That's the hashtag of our big story that we'll discuss here on News Hour at 10. As the deadline for Rajya Sabha Deputy Chair nomination ends, the chinks in Mahagathbandhan come to the fore. With fence-sitters as TRS and BJD swinging towards the NDA, the opposition finds itself short of numbers. PDP meanwhile has decided to abstain and this brings the magic number down to 121. A number the government seems to be closing in on. और ये राज्यसभा में माइनॉरिटी के बावजूद सरकार की फ्लोर मैनेजमेंट की स्ट्रैटेजी कहिए या फिर उनका तरीका कहिए नॉन अलाइंड पार्टीज को अप्रोच करने का। और इससे पहले कि हम इस पर डिस्कस करें, नंबर गेम क्या कह रहा है उस पर एक नजर डाल लेते हैं। द मेजॉरिटी मार्क और द मैजिक मार्क इज 121 और ऐसा क्यों, ये भी हमने आपको समझाया। द एनडीए हैज 117 मेंबर्स, इतना समर्थन मिल रहा है और उसमें जरा आप देखिए कि जो नॉन अलाइंड पार्टीज हैं उनका साथ बीजेडी, टीआरएस, एआईएडीएमके, और अगर आप इसको कंपेयर करें यूपीए के साथ तो यूपीए के पास 115 नंबर्स हैं और अदर्स के पास हैं 10। सो द करंट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द राज्यसभा इज 244 एंड द सपोर्ट ऑफ 123 मेंबर्स विल बी नीडेड टू विन इन द फुल हाउस। लेकिन अगर पार्टीज एब्सटेन कर जाती हैं तो ये स्ट्रेंथ कम होती है और इसी के साथ जो मैजिक नंबर होता है वो भी धीरे धीरे कम हो जाता है। लेट्स ऑल्सो टेक अ लुक एट व्हाट इज एट स्टेक, एनडीए के लिए या ऑपोजिशन के लिए। As the race to get the Rajya Sabha deputy chairman seat gets underway, a lot is at stake for the Mahagathbandhan especially, or the Grand Alliance. It will be interesting to see how the win here will shape the politics of both the opposition and the NDA government ahead of the 2019 general elections. Test of opposition unity ahead of 2019 polls. Congress does not want to relinquish seat after 40 years. ये वो चीजें हैं जो महागठबंधन के लिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए स्टेक पर है। Despite majority in राज्यसभा, इट विल बी एम्बैरेसिंग अगर ऑपोजिशन ये चुनाव हार जाता है या उनका कैंडिडेट ये चुनाव हार जाता है, तो इट्स गोना बी वेरी एम्बैरेसिंग फॉर द ऑपोजिशन, स्पेशली द कांग्रेस। इफ एनडीए विंस, जाहिर तौर पर इट विल बी एडवांटेज गवर्नमेंट इन द अपर हाउस। ये तो हमने आपको बताया कि कौन सी पार्टी के लिए क्या स्टेक पर है, बट लेट्स ऑल्सो टेक अ लुक एट द कैंडिडेट्स दैट हैव बीन फील्डेड बाय बोथ द साइड्स. The BJP-led NDA's nominee is Harivansh Narayan Singh. He is the former editor of Prabhat Khabar and a parliamentarian from Bihar and is from JDU. The Congress has fielded BK Hari Prasad, who is a former Congress General Secretary and represents Karnataka in the Rajya Sabha. Known for his sharp political acumen, और ये भी जानकारी मिल रही है that a number of opposition parties are likely to rally behind him. लेकिन कल किसकी जीत होती है, किसे एडवांटेज मिलता है, ये देखने वाली बात होगी. But let's open this up. Let's go across, in fact, to our guest to discuss this even further.
You're watching the News Hour at 10. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining us tonight on the panel are Rakesh Sinha, MP BJP Rajya Sabha, Syed Aslam is the spokesperson of JDS, Juhi Singh, spokesperson of Samajwadi Party, and here in the studio with us is Ashutosh Mishra. He's a senior journalist. Let me first go across to Juhi Singh. Juhi Singh, despite majority, no unity in opposition, is that the reality at the moment as far as the opposition camp is concerned?
I thought the unity was very apparent. All the parties who decided to fight the elections are supporting each other. And if any parties decide to sit through, that's numbers in Rajya Sabha. So on the ground, we are working on the alliance in UP. That alliance is safe and we are supporting our friends. So as such, I don't think this should be taken as a report card on ground level alliances on 2019. The UP is going to stop BJP and
no, but why
for that we are very strong.
Why shouldn't it be in a way related to what's going to happen in 2019? क्योंकि पार्लियामेंट के बाहर एक एंटी मोदी या एंटी बीजेपी ग्रुप या फ्रंट बनाने की कोशिश होती है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्रूशियल इलेक्शंस लाइक दिस यू सी कि कंसेंसस भी नहीं बन पा रहा है कैंडिडेट को लेकर के। रिपोर्ट्स ये भी आ रही थी दैट ममता बनर्जी इज नॉट हैप्पी, वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस चॉइस. सो व्हाट हैपेंस टू द यूनिटी इनसाइड द हाउस व्हेन इट कम्स टू दिस इलेक्शन? इजंट दिस इक्वली क्रूशियल फॉर द ऑपोजिशन, फॉर द कांग्रेस एज वेल?
The Congress will have to answer for itself, but all the parties, the Samajwadi Party is working together, are standing together. I don't think we were working with the BJD as such, so I do not know what their stand will be, but anybody we are talking to are together for supporting the candidate, and the Congress will really have to clarify on whether Mamata Banerjee is happy or unhappy, but I think the alliance is coming and it's coming very strong, and it will be formed much before the 2019 2019 elections are announced.
Well, is the opposition even sure about its total strength? Let me take that question across to Syed Aslam. Syed Aslam, opposition क्या अपने total strength को लेकर के वाकई में इतना sure है, even if it is about this particular election या otherwise also अगर आप बाहर house के बाहर की बात करें?
Well, let me tell you, Swati, indeed we are united. The powerful word of Mahagathbandhan brings in a chill in their spine to the BJP and their allied forces. And let me tell you, the opposition is united, and we are looking for a progressive India, and we are united, and we are looking for an inclusive India. So now this is the right time to bring in the failures of the government. The people of this nation are watching it very, very carefully, and in the 2019 elections, the people will give a befitting reply to the ruling government. We have seen multiple failures by the Modi government, be it in any aspect, be it in the economic growth, be it in the job opportunities, be it in agricultural growth, or national security. All the aspects the government has failed. The people of this nation are closely watching this, and the people would give a befitting reply in 2019. When it comes to the unity, when it comes to the unity,
BJP को डर लगता है, it sends chill down your spine.
No, I think Mahagathbandhan has become an illusion for the opposition parties. The fragmented opposition parties are trying to create unity without having the basic program. I have two fundamental things about this deputy speaker's election and deputy chairman's election. You know, in Rajya Sabha, 58 years, there has been consensus of deputy speaker. Opposition parties always cooperated with the ruling party, and 58 years, Congress choice has been the deputy speaker. For the first time, opposition parties are betraying the healthy tradition of the Rajya Sabha. You know, there is a fundamental difference between the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. As far as the Rajya Sabha is concerned, it is different from the Lok Sabha as far as status is concerned, as far as role is concerned. So there is expected that minimum confrontation in the Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, you can go for the confrontation because you are directly elected by the people. You represent the people's aspiration. There is a crude politics in the Lok Sabha, but in Rajya Sabha there is a sophisticated politics. That's why there has been tradition of the consensus candidate. And Harivansh ji, who is the NDA's candidate, you know, besides that being the NDA's candidate, he is a very sober person. He is known for his thinking. He has been an editor for a long time. He has a cross-party relationship. He is an individual who deserves this seat.
All right.
And that time the opposition is betraying and deceiving the tradition. Last point, I am just for Juhi Singh ji. You know, there is a position, there is a conglomeration of the opposition party, but there is not a single leader who can talk to each and every party. Juhi Singh ji says that Congress party has to take clarification from the Trinamool Congress. Trinamool Congress has been disrupting the Rajya Sabha.
But so aren't you all one? When you say opposition unity, aren't you all one? फिर इसमें क्या फर्क है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी इसका जवाब दे? Yes, Juhi Singh.
We are talking about the Rajya Sabha elections. No, but we are talking about the Rajya Sabha elections, and just now Rakesh Sinha ji, who's we all respect very much, said that it's a very sophisticated place, there are no party lines, and people should just resign from their parties and be as individual members there. Of course it's a party place, people nominate people to the Rajya Sabha, and if we do not, consensus is sought by the BJP when it is convenient. So either you take the opposition on consensus on everything, consult them on everything, not according to your convenience, and don't play tradition politics that it is tradition, because every tradition has been destroyed by the BJP of really parliamentary traditions. If you talk about, I am glad that he did not tell the caste, because they've already quoted the caste of the president.
Juhi ji, just 3 days ago, there was election on Public Account Committee. There has never been election for the Public Account Committee. We know that there has always been consensus. Harivansh ji was a candidate, although he was an individual capacity candidate, but he was a candidate. And Congress party backtracked from his
let's come back to the topic. Let's come back to the topic. And Ashutosh Mishra, please come in, because the fence sitters are tilting towards the NDA. And let's not forget कि केसीआर कैसे बाहर सामने आकर के उन्होंने कहा था कि उनको एक नॉन बीजेपी और नॉन कांग्रेस एक फ्रंट बनाना है, फेडरल फ्रंट बनाना है, और इस देश को उन्हें एक ऑप्शन देना है, एक राजनीतिक विकल्प देना है. नाउ यू सी द सेम टीआरएस in this particular election supporting the BJP, also, you know, this talks a great deal about the floor management strategy of the BJP. You cannot take that away.
No,
yes.
I totally disagree with you
Why?
for two reasons.
Why?
First of all, Mr. Sinha was talking about consensus building, and there Congress was better because BJP has this authoritarian my way or highway sort of attitude. It has thrown out PDP, TDP. No party wants to be with it.
Yeah, but then
Shiv
BJD,
Sena
TRS
Shiv Sena may be
and
supporting it.
AIADMK is
Shiv
tilting
Sena may be
towards
supporting
them.
it in Rajya Sabha,
Huh.
but recently they fought against each other. Shiv Sena may be supporting it in Rajya Sabha, but Shiv Sena has said that it will fight 2019 elections alone. So it's a compliment he just paid to Congress, and maybe BJP should learn how to take everybody along. Now you are talking about TRS. In Telangana, Congress is the main challenger to TRS, not BJP. That's why he is afraid of Congress and not BJP, because BJP is a non-player in Telangana.
How do you discard the healthy tradition of consensus?
No, because
If
consensus
BJP
is
is
there,
putting in
when
BJP's
it
nominee
is a give and
Harivansh
take
ji is
relationship,
there,
Mr. Sinha.
then whom
It's
to
not a
talk?
one
Congress
way.
party
That,
has
okay,
the Congress party
what I
has
do
the
is
track
right,
record
I will
to
not listen to
backtrack
you.
from his earlier
And
promise.
this consensus building means give and take, and BJP is not ready to give. It's only there to take. It's like that.
Can you explain how to make consensus
in its way to win?
Can you explain how to make consensus? Whom to talk? Mamata Banerjee's party
Sir,
is
maybe
not
take a
allowing
lesson
Rajya
from
Sabha to
Congress.
function. Mamata Banerjee's party is not allowing Amit Shah ji to speak in the Rajya Sabha. Amit Shah he represents the BJP. He is a party president. When he stands to speak, 6 members go to the well of the chairman. They start shouting entire opposition.
Take a lesson from Congress. Take a lesson from Congress in what, Ashutosh
People
Mishra?
don't like such
In what?
How to
कि
build consensus. How to build
ठीक है,
consensus.
ऑपोजिशन यूनिटी की बात करें, लेकिन सबको साथ में लेकर के नहीं चल सकते. इज दैट व्हाट वन नीड्स टू लर्न फ्रॉम द कांग्रेस पार्टी? संजय सिंह ने अभी क्या ट्वीट किया है, आपको मैं थोड़ा अपडेट कर देती हूँ. संजय सिंह कह रहे हैं कि नीतीश कुमार ने हमको अप्रोच किया था. नीतीश कुमार चाहते थे कि उनकी कैंडिडेट के लिए हम वोट करें, लेकिन राहुल गांधी को अगर हमारा वोट नहीं चाहिए, वो हमें कांटेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो हम एब्सटेन कर जाएंगे. ना वी सॉ अरविंद केजरीवाल ऑन दैट स्टेज व्हेन मिस्टर कुमारस्वामी वाज टेकिंग एन ओथ. सब हाथ में हाथ पकड़े हुए खड़े थे, ऑपोजिशन यूनिटी की बात कर रहे थे, और एक एक करके अब वो लोग छूटते जा रहे हैं.
नहीं, आपको गलतफहमी है स्वाति, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बड़ा साफ कह दिया गया है कि अपोजिशन यूनिटी विल बी स्टेट बाय स्टेट. ये कोई एक ऐसा नहीं है कि नेशनल लेवल
तो
पे
ये
सब एक साथ हो
कन्वीनियंस के
जाएंगे.
हिसाब से यूनिटी हो गई.
दिल्ली में
तो ये तो
केजरीवाल और कांग्रेस
कन्वीनियंस
are
के हिसाब.
opponents.
एग्जैक्टली.
It's not convenience.
So how will you
It's
come
not
together?
convenience.
So how will you
It's
come
what
together when it
people-
comes to the general elections?
No,
ये
why-
आपस में
because
स्टेट
it
में
has been told.
आपकी
It
डिफरेंसेस
will be
बने
state
रहेंगे,
by state.
तो स्टेट में
आप
आपके
SP और
अपने
DSP के
डिफरेंसेस
साथ
बने
जैसे जो है
रहेंगे.
कांग्रेस
Is that
लड़
not
रही है,
convenient?
जहाँ पे-
Is that not
does not
convenient?
create
Politics of
unity.
convenience.
जहाँ-
Why
Unity
not?
should be
Syed
based on
Aslam.
complete program.
Syed
आपके
Aslam.
मत
Is
एक
that
हैं,
not
and it's for the
politics
common
of
good.
convenience?
वहाँ पे होगा.
Is
यहाँ
that
पे कोई विलय नहीं हो रहा है एक पार्टी का
one
दूसरे
second.
में.
Is that not politics of convenience, Syed Aslam? And let's also not forget कि HD कुमारस्वामी कुछ दिन पहले उनकी आंखों में आंसू आ गए थे when he was talking about the गठबंधन धर्म.
Well, Sati, let me tell you that was an emotional outburst anyways, but the opposition stands united. JDS parties definitely stands united with Congress, and all the regional players have come in together, and we stand united. So I would like to ask Sinha ji, Akali Dal has raised a concern saying that they're not happy with the candidate. Have you taken all your alliance partners into consensus? You're talking about consensus, you're preaching about consensus. Have you taken all alliance partners into consensus?
Mr. Sinha, respond to
That's
that.
not done, right? However, coming back to the
in democracy, people have some kind of reservation, but the NDA is united. Everybody knows. But Sanjay Singh's tweet, as it has been pointed out,
unfortunately,
the party which has been closer to Congress party and the opposition party has tweeted that this is the temperament of the opposition party. You don't tolerate. This is intolerance. In the opposition party, Mamata Banerjee is not tolerating Sonia Gandhi.
when it is your alliance partner,
everybody is thinking that they are trying to use the opposition for their own benefit, for their own empowerment. They don't concern about the country. Healthy tradition. You are not responding. Why are you betraying the healthy tradition of the Rajya Sabha? Why are you making Rajya Sabha the battleground? We are expected to have a discussion on population policy, on environment of the country, on the climate of the country. These are the long-term agenda of the country. Rather than if there is no difference between Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, then what is the utility of the Rajya Sabha?
With your own alliance partner, Shiv Sena,
maltreat a child of
come
Congress,
out of your dictatorship, come out of the BJP should come out of its dictatorship and take the consensus from its own alliance partners.
Okay, Juhi Singh also wants to come in. Juhi Singh, go ahead.
He is a Democrat. Chandrababu Naidu is a Democrat. Mamata Banerjee is a Democrat. They are highly individualistic leaders. They are the symbols of dictators. They are symbol of the fascist rule. Mamata Banerjee is doing something in the state. You know, Rajya Sabha is being used to break the system from within. Some opposition parties are hijacking the entire Rajya Sabha. Everybody knows why Rajya Sabha is joined without any reason. You are not discussing SC/ST bill. The most important thing, Juhi Singh ji, on OBC, that this historic bill of the BJP was stalled 2 days.
Calling everybody a fascist.
The party has
calling everybody a fascist.
You are not allowing that bill to be passed. That is a historic thing.
Name calling is a separate thing, but Juhi Singh, आपको लगता है कि ममता बनर्जी एक टेबल पर आएंगी और बीजेपी के साथ किसी मुद्दे पर सहमत होंगी? जब वो कांग्रेस लेड ऑपोजिशन के कैंडिडेट से सहमत नहीं दिखाई दे रही हैं। जूही सिंह,
आप शायद
एक मिनट, जूही सिंह को प्लीज जूही सिंह को पहले जवाब देने दीजिए। जूही सिंह को जवाब देने दीजिए, उसके बाद आप आइए।
Swati, Mr. Rakesh Sinha ji, as a BJP MP, has just called names to every opposition leaders, and then he's talking about tradition and consensus. They don't want consensus. They have destroyed every parliamentary democratic institution. So
no, Juhi Singh ji, you are calling the BJP and RSS dictator, and just I have given the example. I have not accused.
Sir,
I am asking you, Akhilesh ji is a democratic.
You are talking of
entire family member is dominating the party. You are talking of democracy.
इसको पर्सनल नहीं बनाइए, प्लीज इसको पर्सनल नहीं बनाइए, इसको पर्सनल नहीं बनाइए। लेट्स कम बैक टू द टॉपिक एंड आशुतोष मिश्रा, ये कन्वीनियंस की यूनिटी है ऑपोजिशन की कि स्टेट बाय स्टेट जब इलेक्शन आएगा उस हिसाब से हम लड़ेंगे। जनरल इलेक्शन में हमारी ऑपोजिशन बनी रहेगी, लेकिन हमारा पॉलिटिकल डिफरेंस जो हमारे अलग अलग रीजन्स में है वो बना रहेगा। That will continue as it is.
यहाँ पे nobody has said that when we fight together that we will merge into each other. It is where you agree, where you agree, you have a political principle on which you agree.
So if you had your differences in the state, how would you then come together when you have to choose one face, one leader and one face? How would you then how would you then come together?
Your question has been answered. That election will be after the 2019 elections have been taken, then the Prime Minister's
name will be announced. So you're answering my other question also, that yes, it is a politics of convenience.
No, it's not a politics of convenience. It's these parties have agreed on one thing, that BJP is bad for India, and they have decided that the differences between them are much smaller than the threat that the nation faces from this hate mongering that has been going on. That is divisive policies that have been going on.
So is the unity also going to reflect? Is the unity also going to reflect in this election? इसमें वो नजर आएगा, opposition की unity दिखाई देगी, Syed Aslam?
Well, indeed it will. Let me tell you, the opposition has joined together for a united, progressive and inclusive nation. Let me tell you. Let me tell you this: the opposition stands united, and it will be united. Though there are multiple regional parties which are coming in together and joining together, we definitely stand united. Now is the turn for the BJP to answer the people of this nation. What happened to Sabka Saath? What happened to the economic growth? What happened to the job opportunities?
The opposition stands united, despite the numbers falling down, despite the non-aligned parties actually making a choice and tilting towards the NDA, making their preferences actually very, very clear. When you say that BJP's allies have left them, you have to also look at how BJP is in fact approaching the non-aligned parties.
No, so you also, Swati, you also need to know the fact that the BJP alliance partner TDP has come out. What has happened with TDP we have seen. Shiv Sena has definitely shown their discomfort. Akali Dal has shown their discomfort. It is for the BJP and its alliance partners to answer. But when it comes to the opposition, we definitely stand united. But now the point doesn't end here. Now there are questions which are being asked by the people of this nation. BJP certainly needs to answer the questions of slowness of economic growth. There are no job opportunities. The agricultural growth has dropped to 1.9%. The inflation is at its highest. What are we doing about it? The people of this nation will give a befitting reply in 2019 elections. The BJP should definitely be prepared about this.
All right, Rakesh Sinha, come in and respond to those charges कि आपके अपने allies आपका साथ छोड़ करके जा रहे हैं, आप अपने allies के साथ कोई consensus नहीं बना पा रहे हैं, but you definitely are obviously क्योंकि ज़रूरत आपकी भी है, minority में हैं आप upper house में और अपनी strength को बना करके रखने के लिए you are approaching the non-aligned parties.
You know, 4 years BJP was good, BJP government was good, Prime Minister was good, and 5th year BJP became the bad party, Prime Minister a bad politician, and the BJP ideology has become dangerous for the country. That is the philosophy of PDP. Entire nation knows what.
When people have been criticizing.
Let me complete the.
No, that's not the topic. Okay, 1 second. That's not the topic. इस पे हम अलग से बहस कर लेंगे. बीजेपी के 4 साल जैसे रहे, उस पे हम अलग से बहस कर लेंगे.
Would you allow me to speak?
Mr. Sinha,
no, would you allow to speak, complete my point?
Yes, Mr. Sinha, go ahead.
No, you know the opposition, I have 2 words for the opposition. They have blinkered vision and fragmented status. They are fragmented people. There are a lot of dichotomies. But in temperament, in their ambition, in their status, in their seat sharing. So opposition unity is just an illusion. They are deluded by their old legacy of the opposition unity. Then there was a concrete propaganda program and agenda. Nitish Kumar ji was good yesterday, was progressive yesterday, today he reactionary. And you know the most important thing is that the candidate Harivansh
मिस्टर नीतीश कुमार एक वक्त में उस वक्त महागठबंधन का चेहरा बन रहे थे और उनको प्रधानमंत्री के तौर पर प्रोजेक्ट करने की बात हो रही थी और अब वो ट्रेटर हो गए और अब वो ट्रेटर हो गए.
बीजेपी के साथ थे, जब जो है आरजेडी के साथ मतलब था, तब तो आरजेडी
तो ये मतलब तो कांग्रेस पार्टी का भी उनके साथ था या नहीं? ये मतलब तो कांग्रेस पार्टी और ऑपोजिशन का भी उनके साथ है या नहीं कि एक वक्त में वो चेहरा दिखाई दे रहे थे यूनाइटेड ऑपोजिशन का एंड नाउ ही ऑल ऑफ अ सडन बिकम्स अ ट्रेटर. जूही सिंह
अगेंस्ट मिस्टर मोदी, व्हिच इज द आइडिया.
Nobody on the opposition thought. Who? Who was being projected as the prime minister?
नीतीश कुमार को लेकर के इस तरह की चर्चा भी हो रही थी कि कंसेंसस बन जाएगा उनको लेके एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन नीतीश कुमार becomes a traitor. He becomes a traitor because he goes back to the BJP. जब वो बीजेपी के साथ अपना गठबंधन तोड़ते हैं तो वो एक एलाय के तौर पर नजर आने लगते हैं.
हाँ. That really Mr. Nitish Kumar must be portraying himself as the Prime Minister. We had no interest in him. He was in alliance with the RJD and then he got the mandate with the RJD. Then he backed out. So of course he's a traitor to the RJD.
Okay, quickly, Rakesh Sinha, quickly, I will have the debate.
The constitutional status to the OBC Commission. Why your party was Trinamool to obstruct the Lok Sabha? When there is a bill for SC, ST, your party joining hand with the Trinamool Congress to obstruct the Rajya Sabha.
All right.
When Lok Sabha passing, the majority in the Rajya Sabha.
एक मिनट मुद्दे पर रहना जरूरी है. वैसे मेरे पास वक्त कम है. I have to wrap up the debate now. लेकिन कल कौन जीतता है, किसका कैंडिडेट जीतता है, एडवांटेज गवर्नमेंट होता है, एडवांटेज ऑपोजिशन होता है, for that we'll have to wait. But thank you to all my guests for joining us, for participating in the debate. Thank you very much for your time. News Hour at 10 में फिलहाल रुक रहे एक ब्रेक के लिए, but stay with us because coming up on the other side is The Clash with Arthur and Martha.